Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this raspberry Bakewell Tart. Let's begin. To start on the recipe you'll want to make your pastry. I've made it that many times, there's no need to put it in every video. If you want to see how I make my pastry, I will leave that linked down below, so don't forget to check that out. You can then take your pastry and roll it out just until it's slightly bigger than the tin or tray you are using. The pastry should be around 5mm in thickness, which is the perfect and most ideal. Once you go to that, you can then roll it back onto your rolling pin, grab your pie or tart tin and then just drape it over the top, pressing it down into place into all the crevices so there's no bits that may be missed. Once you've done that, you can then trim away the excess just by running a knife around the edge. For the excess pastry, do not throw it away, re-roll it and use once, or discard it if you're not intending on using it. Then you'll just want to dock the base of your pastry case. This is just to help prevent it from rising while it's having its blind bake. So then place in a piece of parchment paper and fill with either rice or baking beans, and then place into your preheated oven and bake it off for around 15 minutes to start with. Remove the paper and beans and then place in for another 10. Then allow to cool, and then you can make your French pan filling. So grab yourself a food processor or mixing bowl and place in all of your ingredients, and you'll just want to pulse them all together or mix them all together until everything is fully combined. You can then go ahead and just pulse all of your ingredients together until everything is fully combined and the mixture is as smooth as possible. It won't be completely smooth due to the ground almonds in the mixture. So to finish your tart off, you'll want to grab your blind baked pastry case and place in the jam, spreading it out until you have a level layer of jam on the base of the case. You may need to add more, but try not to take away as you may ruin your pastry. Then you can go ahead and pour over your French pan filling. It may look like there's not enough, but don't worry, there's more than enough there. Spread it out just to level it until it's all pretty much perfect. Then you're good to go, but before you put it into the oven, you'll want to scatter over or place your fresh raspberries. Feel free to use frozen, but the excess water may ruin the French pan, so that's why I recommend using fresh. Place them on or scatter them over until you have a generous looking amount of raspberries. They will sink in, but don't worry, you still get all of that raspberry flavour. Then take some flaked almonds and just scatter them over the top, using as many or as much as you'd like. Then bake off at the temperature. I will leave all of that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below. And here is what the French pan tart looks like once it's fully baked, cooled. So for me, this was the following day. You can then cut it up. I cut it mine into 8 different portions, but feel free to cut it up into as many or as little portions as you'd like. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.